and I submitted my video, and I received the email that I won. YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with another video, and this is a very exciting video for the channel. If you follow the channel, you'll know that I do a lot of CURLBOX reviews on the channel. If you're not familiar with CURLBOX is a monthly subscription where you pay $20 a month. It's $5 shipping. You're billed on a recurring basis, and you receive hair care products. You get between 5 to 6 items. Each month has a different theme. You may get accessories, but you'll usually get something for a hair wash day that includes like a shampoo, conditioner, or leave-in, things like that. Great, excellent subscription that I speak highly of. And I just started my CURLBOX this year in February, so I will list the playlist of my natural hair product reviews, and you can go through and check out some of the different CURLBOX that I've received since I've started receiving the CURLBOX February of this year. But let's get into this video. I'm very excited. CURLBOX had a 400K Instagram giveaway. You had to submit on your Instagram stories a 15-second video just explaining what you love about CURLBOX, and I submitted my video, and I received the email that I won. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I received. They were calling it the mystery box. We didn't know what was in the box. So, but if you're interested in CURLBOX and wanted some additional information, I will leave the link below to the website for CURLBOX if you want to get in on their monthly subscription. They also offer what they call non-subscription boxes, or their specialty boxes, where you can go in and just purchase. You don't have to be registered to their subscription box. But this is going to be the mystery box that we received. The product reviews that I'm going over on this is the mystery box that we received, and this was for the winners of the 400K Instagram. Back through some of the different videos for CURLBOX, and it looks like what they did was they put in an accumulation of different products for this particular box, for this mystery box. The first 2 items that I'm reviewing is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil in Morocco. Looks like this was originally a part of a 3-step system, but they only sent in 2 items because we did receive a total of 5 items in our mystery CURLBOX for the winners. And this to me just basically reminded me of like a pre-treatment. This one is, it's the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Morocco Complex Breakage Defense. It's a bond mender pre-treatment. So I use this on the wet hair before applying the shampoo. This reinforces weak bonds and helps fill in fragile strands with argan oil. Perfect for strengthening chemically treated, transitioning, and natural hair textures. It reinforces, protects, and maintains healthy hair bonds, fuels each strand with long-lasting strength, helps reduce damage and breakage for longer and stronger hair. So the directions on this was to apply a generous amount to dry or wet hair and thoroughly saturate for 10 minutes and then rinse off. Follow with restoring shampoo. And that's what I did on this one. This is a really thin gel texture, and I really like how it felt on my hair. So I did use a generous amount of this on the hair. It smells really good. I really like the smell of this. It smells really good. It's really like a light gel texture. So I thoroughly went through the whole head applying a generous amount of this, and while my hair was damp, I put on my plastic cap. I allowed the hair to set. It set 10 minutes. I let it sit for like 20 minutes, and then I followed up with the Cream of Nature Argan Oil in Morocco shampoo. This is also a breakage defense. It's a restoring shampoo. It moisturizes and nourishes, removes impurities and buildup. I say when I rinsed out that treatment, my hair, it didn't do anything. Like, I didn't feel anything after that. But this shampoo is so thick, and as you'll see, a little bit goes a long way. It really gave a great lather, and my hair felt so hydrated. I was like, oh my gosh, I really wish that I had the step 3 in this, because I would really like to try it, because I really like these 2. Now with this one, I like the way this felt going on the hair. I know I had to let it sit for 10 minutes. When I rinsed it out, it didn't really feel like it did anything to my hair. I did notice that my hair was really defined. It really did give a lot of definition to the hair. But then when I followed up with the shampoo, my hair felt so hydrated. I really liked it. I was like, wow, I really wonder what I'm guessing part 3 was the conditioner for this particular line. But we received these 2 products. Because the line didn't come with the conditioner, the styler that was submitted in this box was part of the Maui Moisture, and I did receive on my CURLBOX, they had a specialty box. I had the Maui Moisture Shine and Wapoi conditioner. I do have a review on this line where I received the full box. I will list that particular video link below in the description box, because I'll also be listing the playlist of the product reviews that I've done on previous CURLBOX. So I use this. I've already had this. Smells great. I really love this particular Maui product line, and I've spoken to this about that in that video. If you're interested, please check the link below to check that out. And then they had this leave-in. I did see this on their website. This is the Elasta QP Oil and Mango Anti-Breakage Leave-In. I guess this particular box seems like it was more geared toward anti-breakage. This is an intensified treatment. It's a moisturizing butter, mango, and olive oil. Adds strength, moisture, and shine to even the most brittle, damaged. Perfect for natural, braided, and straight styles to soften, silken, and moisturize the texture feeling like silk. It says apply a liberal amount to clean wet hair. Comb through to gently detangle, style as desired. I really like this. This smells so good. It kind of put me in the mind. You can smell the mango butter, but it kind of has like a lemony smell. Kind of smelled like a lemon cake, and it's really thin in texture. I used a lot of this. I really love the texture of this one. I like the texture of this one. This is going to be one of those products that I'll have to try it with some other moisturizers just to really see how I really feel about this product. But I can honestly say I really enjoyed this product. It almost made me feel like I can use it as like my basic moisturizer, just not like a leave-in. But yeah, I had paired it with the moisturizer that was received, so I like this product as well. See the Maui Moisture Hair Care Nourish and Moisture Coconut Milk Combing Cream. It says 100% aloe is the first ingredient, and I really love the Maui products. Now for some reason when this one delivered, it was kind of damaged. I didn't want to reach out to the company. I have had situations, if there's an issue with the box, they offer great customer service. They're always willing to replace the product, but since this was a giveaway box, I didn't want to be hitting them up like on this I did receive was kind of damaged, so I just went ahead and used it like this, like took it out and used it by hand. But this product smells very good. It smells very creamy. It was a lighter, I mean, it looked thicker than it actually felt. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of this out. It was really, see, it looks a lot thicker. See that? It looks really thick, but when you applied it, it's really thin. It went on my hair very thin. So after I used the leave-in, I used a generous amount of this product. I then proceeded to install my flexi rods. And then we also, for the fifth product, we also received the Black Castor Miracle. This is the hair and scalp sealing. It has black castor oil, tea tree, and soybean. It locks the moisture and softens scalp during braided, waved, or protective style. I do plan on going into protective style in fall, so I will definitely be taking advantage of this particular product. I love oils that have the little tip point where it's easier to get into the scalp to apply when you're wearing any braids or any form of protective style and the hair is braided down. So these are the 5 items that we received in the giveaway mystery box. And I would say out of the 5, I only use 4 of the 5. I would say I like like I mentioned, I like these 2. Would love to try number 3, which I'm thinking is the conditioner. And I really like the feel of this one. Now, these are the results of my hair from using these products. The hair is actually still wet, which I found was really interesting. I did my hair Friday night. It is now Saturday, and my hair is still damp. I don't know why my hair is still wet, or I just don't know. I don't know if these products were so thin, because like I mentioned, cream looks a lot thicker than it actually is. So I don't know, but my hair is still a little bit wet, but I like the results. My hair is baby soft. I mean, my hair is naturally cottony soft. The hydration is still not there. I'm the type of person, if you follow the channel, I love my hair not to only be soft because the texture of my hair is extremely soft, but I like it to be really moisturized. And you know, these products I would probably need to use something a lot stronger or something a lot heavier, and I'm thinking maybe that's why my hair isn't dry still. It's kind of damp in the middle, just in the middle. I do appreciate, I'm so glad the CURLBOX, I'm so glad that CURLBOX had the giveaway. I'm so glad that I was able to enter and was able to win. So very, very exciting. I support CURLBOX. Make sure you check them out. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure that you're subscribed and you hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.